The night fell dark and heavy, the moon glowed strange pale, and in the backyard a shadow moved slow. Bingo shivered close. "Bluey, what's happening?" Then suddenly Bluey staggered forward, groaning low, arms stretched stiff, eyes glowing green. Could Bluey have turned into a zombie? Bandit jumped back shocked, nearly dropping his snack, while Chilli gasped and covered her mouth quick. "Brains," Bluey muttered in a spooky deep voice, shuffling step by step slow, and the whole family froze stiff. Could their sweet pup really be cursed tonight? Bingo squeaked in panic, "She's after us." They darted around the living room fast, knocking over pillows, hiding behind the couch. Bluey stomped in circles, groaning louder. Brains, cookies, toys, the air felt colder, the tension rising sharp. Could the house survive this zombie invasion? Suddenly Muffin and Socks burst in the door, both holding toy flashlights like ghost hunters brave. "Don't worry, we'll save Bluey," Muffin declared bold, shining her light directly at Bluey's face. Sparks of green mist swirled wild, and Bluey growled louder still. Could they break the spell in time? Bandit grabbed a saucepan shield, Chilli held up garlic bread silly, and Bingo clutched her teddy tight. "We need a cure fast," she shouted desperate. The family huddled, planning in whispers fast, while zombie Bluey clawed at the walls slow. Could their plan actually work? Lucky and Rusty appeared outside the window, banging on it dramatic. "We brought the magic soccer ball," Rusty yelled strong. Everyone's eyes lit up hopeful, the ball glowing faint under moonlight. Could this be the cure they needed most? They rolled it across the floor careful, and zombie Bluey locked eyes with it fierce. She stumbled closer heavy, lifted the glowing ball high, and suddenly laughed, not groaned. Light burst bright around her, washing the green glow away. Bluey blinked normal, smiling wide, "I feel better now." Could the nightmare finally be over? Everyone cheered relief loud, hugging each other tight. But then Bluey smirked mischievous, whispering slow, "Or maybe Zombie Bluey will come back next full moon." The room went silent, and everyone gasped. Could another night of terror await soon? And hey, if you loved Zombie Bluey's spooky adventure, don't miss the next one. Tap like, subscribe, and join us before the next moon rises.